Hi everyone, welcome back to the ANCEL channel. Today, we'll walk you through the apps for your device, how to download them, and a few key tips to make sure everything runs smoothly. First, let's take a look at the apps for different products. Here are the app names, icons, and the models they support. You can download them by searching the name on the App Store or Google Play. You can also find a QR code on the product packaging, the device itself, or in the user manual. Just scan to download. Once the app is installed, you'll need to connect it to your device. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Then scan within the app to detect your device. When connecting for the first time, the app may ask for a few permissions. Be sure to allow them so everything works properly. Bluetooth and location, so your phone can find and connect to the device. GPS, needed if the app supports trip recording. Camera, for thermal imaging products so you can capture photos. Don't worry, we never collect personal data. These permissions are only required to keep the app running as intended. One more quick tip. Bluetooth range is usually about 33 feet. If you go beyond that, the connection may drop. Obstacles in between can also weaken the signal. And if your phone automatically clears background apps, the connection might be interrupted. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.